The video is about removing Special-message.online pop-up windows that attack Google Chrome, Firefox, and other popular browsers. The mission of these pop-ups is to force you into clicking on this Allow button integrated into it. So you may see two separate buttons, Block and Allow button. No matter what button you choose and you click, the browser may be hijacked. Especially if the Allow button is mistakenly clicked, you will be forwarded to some other strange messages, strange websites, and some of them have the features of browser hijacking, so your browser may be infected with adware, spyware, some search engine hijackers, and so on. Now, if you mistakenly clicked on Allow, you need to go to the menu, then Settings, Site Settings, and Notifications. Pay very careful attention to the Allow area, and if you find this suspicious site here, click on the button and remove this site from the list and other suspicious sites. Finally, I recommend that you perform the thorough checkup of your Mac with the reliable security program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. It's important to scan your Mac with the reliable antivirus because your Mac may be infected by some hidden adware or malware. Of course, you could visually examine your available applications, but often it's hard to visually establish the adware manually. So Combo Cleaner will help you to do it very well. After the program is downloaded and installed, it will update the antivirus database and you may click on Start Combo Scan to begin the complete research of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.